Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Diamond. And today in NXCAD we are going to design this cover plate of blower assembly, and later on we will assemble all the component. So blower we have already created. You can see my previous video. For this cover we will start with the part design, and this time I will start with the top view and click OK. Now I will start with the circle. To start the circle and center, it is here, and the diameter of circle is this 7. Click 7. Now maximize it. This is my first circle, and then finish this sketch, or for this cut, or for these uh, two more circles here. So I will create this two circle, 1.5 with the diameter, and second is 2.5 as diameter, and click at the center. Now finish this. Now I will take this extrude, and I'm going to extrude this as 2.5 in reverse direction, and click OK. Now I want to fill this, and the radius is 1. Select this, and 1 is the radius, so this will be like this. Now select the shell and remove face this, and the thickness is 2.5. 0.25 is the thickness of wall. Now you see, this is the preview, and now some height is there. This is 1.75 minus 0.25 means 0.5. This will extrude 0.5, so select extrude and select the bigger one circle, and this side is 0.5, and unite and the close. OK, and the radius of this top is 0.2. Select the upper, and the radius is 0.2, and click OK. Now again I want to extrude, and I want to cut. I want a cut between this and select it as a subtraction, and click OK. Now you can see. Now hide this, or we can do one thing. First we have to design this, and later on we will extrude. Okay, no problem. We will change this by using reorder method. So select this bottom and click and project the circle. This is my projection, and for this select a rectangle, click, and orient them vertically. Now I'm going to trim this because I don't want this. Just click over this and change this line to vertical, and I need one circle here, and change this line as reference. Now dimension this. The circle, the radius of the circle is 0.75, and click OK. Now vertically align this. This is 0.75. Change this to 0.75. Click and this gap and the inner circle, just delete this. And BCD is base circle, 8.5 is the diameter, so dimension half of 8.5 divided by 2. And one more inner circle is there, inside circle with diameter of 0.75. Just trim this, or we can do pattern at the same time, or just delete this and exit finish and extrude this, extrude it as a 0.5. So select this and this and 0 and 0.5 and unite and click OK. Now select pattern feature, select this axis vector, this vertical and 3. This is also complete. Again, for this cylindrical slot, click over the top, select this and click OK. Now I am going to draw a single cylindrical hole. Now fillet this, again now dimension it, length is 4 and vertical, define this line as vertical, it is already vertical, that's why it is not showing, and diameter is, just zoom this, and the radius is 3.75 divided by 2, 0.35 divided by 2 and close. It doesn't matter because I don't need this, just delete. Okay, and the same way I don't need this, just delete, and here also just delete this, and this is 4, enter and close, and make it align with the horizontal, and the distance between this is 1.8. Now close this. Now I want to pattern this, so go to the pattern curve and linear pattern. Now select the curves and the linear direction as this, and number count and the pitch. The pitch is 0.6. 0.6 is the pitch and 7 is the count, and click OK. and finish this. Before I want to cut it, but before cut I want to reorder this and reorder this before the this extrude. Now just select the extrude and click this all curve. Sorry. And subtract this and reverse the direction and click OK. So hope you understand the method of reordering. Just select this and drag it to below the sketch file. Okay, now in this extrude double click this and I want this as 0.25 in second direction and click OK. So my result will like this. Okay, so this is my second part in blower assembly. And if you want to change the color, just go and change the color and just select a randomly color now. So hope you understand. If you have any problem regarding this, just comment me. I will try to contact you. Okay, thanks for the day.